Good night, ma'am. Today I will show you the steps, ingredients, and the items you'll need to make a mango juice. First, I will tell you about the ingredients. You'll need 6 mangoes, 1 cup of sugar, some ice cubes, and the amount is as much as you want, and some water. The amount is also as much as you want. The items you'll need is a blender, a spoon, and a cup. Now, I will tell you on how to make the mango juice. First, put the 6 mangoes into the blender. Then, add some water into the blender. After that, close the blender with a cap and turn it on and let it on until 1 to 2 minutes. After that, turn off the blender and pour the mango juice into a cup. Then add some sugar as much as you want to the mango juice and stir it nicely with a spoon. And then, if you want to, you can add some ice cubes to make the mango juice even colder. That is my ingredients on mango juice. Thanks for watching. I'm Nathanael Kurniawan, 9C5.